All right, pre-cal, here's chapter 8. So on number 1, I got my first thing here by just subtracting the 2 angles I did know from 180, which gives me the third angle. And then I used the law of sines to get my missing sides. So I have 1 over sine of 50, because those are matching pieces, alpha and A, B over sine of 30, C over sine of 100. I just cross multiplied 1 times sine of 30 divided by sine of 50, and that gave me my B. I did it again with the C to get this one. Over here on number 2, I only had 1 angle, so I solved right here with what I did know to get my gamma. This time I did sine of 100 times 2 divided by 5, and that's equal to sine of gamma. And then I use that inverse sine button on my calculator to give me this. I get the third angle by doing 180 minus 100 minus 23.2, and that gives me this last one, which I can then throw in to the law of sines right here to get my last missing piece. This one I attempted to use the law of cosines, which I wrote out here kind of sloppily. That's an alpha. Hey guys.
What?
So I put the 2 in for A, the 3 in for B, the 1 in for C, and then I tried to solve it, but I ended up with alpha equals 0. This is not a triangle, and you may remember from your geometry class, I can tell that it won't be because 2 plus 1 is 3, and that should be larger than 3, larger than the third side. So occasionally that happens. It won't on your exam. That's a promise. All right, then I have the area formula here. Again, that'll be given to you on the formula sheet. And I plugged in the values that I knew. So my 3 sides there, or my 2 sides in my angle, I just plugged them in and put it all in a calculator. This one, thankfully, was a little bit, same amount of work. I just plugged all my little signs in right here and put it in a calculator. So those 2 formulas are on your test. Remember, if you have all 3 sides, you have to use this method, which uses this formula here. You have to get this little S and then plug it into there. If you have 2 sides and the included angle, then you can use this slightly simpler formula. So I actually used this formula on problem number 5, and then this formula here on number 4.